Hello everyone, Yakusong and welcome back to my channel. This is Shamyang. So as said in my previous vlog, I will be baking today because I got all the equipment or like materials and the things required for baking. So I did 10 days training last week. I did 10 days bakery training and I baked with my other trainees friends. And this will be my first time baking alone, and I don't know how it will come. So let's see. And I'm going to bake the vanilla cookies. Yeah, this is my first time, so stay tuned. Okay, now I'm ready. I have my recipes, the vanilla cookies recipes. Then I have this piping bag, then nozzles. Then have this cutter. This one is to measure the flour. Then wicks. Then these are the teaspoons. The spatula. I have baking soda. I have flours. Then this one is vanilla extract. I have a small size of egg. This is my weighing scale. I have almond butter. Oh my gosh, this is corn flour, this is sugar, and soda. And I have my oven. This oven is gifted to me by my grandfather. Second hand, the timer isn't working, but rest. My kitchen is very small and it looks so congested, but yeah, let's do it. So let's measure the flour first. Okay, the flour 90 gram. Okay. Cookies, vanilla cookies. Went wrong somewhere, went wrong. So oh. OMG. Oh my god. What happened? What happened to this one? So far, it's all burn out. Maybe it will be better next time. Oh wow. Wow, not bad, huh? OMG, what happened to my cookies? Sad. See here, my cookies. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is my first cookies that I baked in my life. So let me offer the good one to... Oh. Yeah. Let's offer to... Can you some? Yeah. So yeah, this is the cookies, and yeah. So what happened? I overbacked. Yeah. Actually, my oven, the oven's timer is not working. Yeah, so I put in the oven, then I came to my living room and I was with my phone, and finally it got burned. Yeah, it was overbacked, right? But if I'm to give the rate for my own cookies, then I will give 6/10. Yeah, not bad, right? Because it looks horrible, right? It looks so horrible. No shape at all. Actually, I was trying to make shape, but I don't know when it was packed after putting inside the oven, the shape totally got changed. Okay, let me taste my own cookies. Wow, not bad, right? It's yummy. And I hope my next second time will be much better.